I'm Marcie from Winona Public Library.
And I'm Mitch from Bluff Country Co-op.
And today we're here to talk about some science in the kitchen. We're going to show you the science behind emulsions.
And then we're going to make maybe the most popular, most delicious emulsion out there, mayo.
Alright, so for starters, what is an emulsion? Well, an emulsion is a mixture of a fat and a liquid. These are two things that usually don't mix, but in an emulsion, you're going to shake or stir them up and then they mix together. So one that you may know is oil and vinegar can be made into an emulsion for salad dressing. So let's see what happens. Pour the vinegar into the cup, right about there, and then we're going to put the oil on top of it and watch how they separate from each other. They don't like to mix. Ooh, that's pretty. You can see the oil is floating on top of the vinegar. The vinegar is the red stuff at the bottom, and then the oil is floating on top. Not friends. But when I shake it, I'm going to close this jar. Shake, 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 shake. And now you can see everything is mixed together. So this is an emulsion. There's actually quite a few foods that are emulsions. For example, milk is an emulsion. So is butter. And so, of course, is salad dressing. And then there's a really famous, really delicious emulsion that we're going to make today. Mayonnaise.
Alright, so now it's time to make our mayonnaise. So mayonnaise is an emulsion of egg and oil. So to make it, we'll need 3/4 of a cup of canola oil, 1 egg, some pepper, and some salt. And to put it all together, a bowl and a whisk. So for starters, we are going to need to separate our egg yolk, which is the yellow part of the egg, and the white, which is the rest. So, first thing, crack the egg. Now what you're going to want to do is keep the yolk and the white in 1/2 of the egg. Then slowly pour it into your hand like this. And open up your fingers just a little bit so all the white comes out. Move it from hand to hand. And then all you have is just this little yolk. Plop. So we are going to be eating raw egg yolks. So if you have any concerns over this, you can use pasteurized eggs. Time to start whisking up our mayo. So we pour the oil in very, very slowly, drop by drop, because as we said before, emulsions don't like to stay together. Fats and liquids are not friends. The other key is to whisk very, very fast. The faster you whisk, the quicker it will come together. It does take a second. Mayo is a slow process, so patience is a virtue.
You can see at this point that it's starting to come together and get thick and creamy, so we know we're almost finished stirring. At this point, we're going to stop whisking, and then we're going to add some spices, salt and pepper, just to give it some extra flavor. So there you have it. That's how a very delicious emulsion, mayonnaise, is made.
And you can customize it really any way you want. You can put lemon juice in there, chipotle peppers,
Yum.
garlic. Really, the possibilities are endless.
All right, so let's go put this on a sandwich.
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.